Can I get Netflix on my phone? Yes, Netflix is available on smartphones, allowing users to stream movies, TV shows, and download content for offline viewing. The Netflix app can be installed on both Android and iOS devices. 1. Netflix app availability on phones. The Netflix app is supported on Android phones, Android 5.0 or later, iPhones, iOS 15 or later, iPads, iPadOS 15 or later. 2. How to download Netflix on an Android phone. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Netflix in the search bar. Step 3. Tap Install to download the app. Step 4. Open Netflix and sign in with your account. 3. How to download Netflix on an iPhone. Step 1. Open the App Store. Step 2. Search for Netflix in the search bar. Step 3. Tap Get to download the app. Step 4. Open Netflix and sign in with your account. 4. Using Netflix on a phone. Once installed, users can stream Netflix movies and TV shows in HD, download content for offline viewing, create and manage profiles on their Netflix account, cast Netflix to a TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. 5. Watching Netflix without the app. If the app cannot be installed, users can watch Netflix via a web browser on their phone by visiting www.netflix.com. 6. Troubleshooting Netflix app issues. If Netflix does not work properly on a phone, try these steps. Restart your phone and reopen the app. Update the Netflix app from the App Store or Play Store. Check for device software updates. Reinstall the Netflix app if it keeps crashing. 7. Alternative ways to watch Netflix on mobile. If the Netflix app is not available in your region, you can use a supported web browser to stream Netflix. Check if your device is compatible with the latest Netflix updates. Netflix can be easily installed on smartphones through the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store Android, providing access to streaming and offline downloads. If the app is unavailable, users can still watch Netflix through a web browser.